All right, another great drill when learning to do kettlebell swings is the actual pendulum swing. So after you've learned how to hike pass it back, now we're gonna let it kind of float forward and you'll just kind of re-hike it, but without setting the kettlebell down. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then we'll break it down a little bit. We'll set up, find your hinge position, arms about, stance about an arm's distance away, find your hinge, grab the kettlebell, tilt the handle towards you. I'm gonna hike it back, but instead of letting it set down, I'm gonna let it just float. So hike, 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 and then set it down, okay? Some common errors similar to the hike pass is that when you hike it, people tend to stand or drop. You're trying to let your body just shift as that weight is swinging from your arms, okay? Another common error I see is that when people are hiking or doing the pendulum, the kettlebell is going too low, which is causing them to round their spine. So as you're doing that hike pass, here's what you shouldn't be doing. Okay, that's more of you rocking forward and rolling, rounding your spine. I want you to actively use your armpits to hike it back and almost try to hit your butt on the top. Tilt, hike, hike, let it fall, hike, let it fall, hike, let it fall, hike, let it fall, hike, and back down, okay? So I'm just letting the momentum fall back down or fall back forward as I pull it back, fall forward, pull it back, fall forward. That's your pendulum swing.